Yes guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today we're doing a bike check on my collective bike C2. Anyways, yeah, let's just get into the bike check on my C2. Yeah, let's get into it. Starting off first, yeah, we got the V tyre, collective bike V tyres with a red dust cap and some gold nipples or whatever. So that came stuck. I put a Shimano Deal on here because my mates have been recommending put a bit of brake on it, but it's really sharp at the moment, so I'm gonna have to wear it in. So yeah, next year we got some ODI bar ends, quite good, actually quite hard now. And with that we got some ODI long neck black grips. So yeah, other thing, yeah, I forgot to mention, and a sticker, but it's like, I don't know how to describe it, it's like a paint, whatever, like it shines, like see it shining. Yeah, it's just lame, isn't it? Moving on, we got SE bikes, black and red pad, and another one there. We got SE big honkins, not super bigs, the big honkins, 40 quid off some website that I don't know, but I got them in chrome. We got an SE bike stem, I think they're called Gnarly Stems or something. Get them off this website, 40 quid again. You get bare colours, black, red, blue, gold, silver, all that. We got a Hope top cap with a Hope silver bolt. I mean, some bolts have snapped to me before, yeah, but that actually look alright. Like, just don't tighten them a lot because they'll just snap in it. Moving on, we got our red Hope spacer. I just found it when I bought my spacers for my Red C100. Oh yeah, forgot to say, Red C100 bike check coming soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We got this Collective Bikes monogram seat that I got with my C2 stock. I had a big flash seat on it before, but it was ripped and that, so I just put this on it. So yeah. Then moving on, we got a Hope seat clamp quick release. I think it's 31x8, I think, something like that, but I got it in red. So yeah, so let's move on down here. We got black DMR V6s. I've had this for quite a while now. But me and Jay,
I link JC, actually not. Jay obviously got me for Jay, actually, so I can't be able to put it into my own. Me and him had these, yeah. Me and him fell off here once. I don't know if I can remember, but I think I fell off and I cut my elbow into something, yeah. Look at rid of them, look. I just thought I'd tell you about them, they are sharp. They're really good, so I'll recommend them, so yeah.
Also forgot to say, it comes with a Deal hollow tech bottom bracket or something with a Z chain ring and Z cranks and a gold KMC chain, something like that. And then obviously for the pegs, I got some normal pegs I got off Amazon. I got some red grip tape, which is torn off because it's just shit at the moment. So yeah, I think that's it, you know. Oh yeah, also forgot to say, I got some red dust caps. I think I might have said it at the start, but I just want to mention it again. So, oh yeah, the last thing, red zip ties. You got them off Amazon for like a £5 or cheaper, something like that, I don't know. But yeah. You stupid or something? Are you mad? Piss off, yeah? You mad? You mad? No, I love it, fam. I'm not trying to get this demonetized still. Anyway, as I was saying, yeah, Collective Bike C2 bike checking that. So yeah, that's it. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm gonna do way more videos now because my upload schedule is actually dog shit. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Like, comment and subscribe, yeah, and I'll see you in the next one.